she is obsessed with llamas. So we are going to surprise her with a 6-inch chocolate llama cake. So I hope you guys try this out too. Okay, so now we are going to add the crumb layer again, and then we are going to pop it back into the freezer for 10 minutes to sit them back up again. Back into the freezer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to add another thicker layer of buttercream. Buttercream before I add the fur. Now I wasn't worried about this one being even because the fur is going to be all over the place anyway, but I just want to add this so I can have a thicker layer and can pick a spot where I want to put the face in. So I pick my front. This is going to be my front, and I have pre-made my sunglasses for the eyes. So these are just going to be the sunglasses that I've already pre-made. The nose I've also pre-made, and I'm just going to use the black gel for the mouth. Now we are going to add the fur. And there we go. 6-inch llama cake. So I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.